Hello guys, and welcome to another video here today at the Start of Rain TV, the platform to inspire, empower and connect entrepreneurs worldwide. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about blogging and how you can make money from blogging. Now, blogging is more than just an online diary these days. It's actually more to blogging than it was a few years back. And having a blog, be it for your business or your personal use, is a great way to make some money online working from home. So if you're interested in finding out more how you can start a blog and how you can make money from your blog, then you better stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Welcome to the Start of Rain TV, where you can learn how to start and run a successful online business working from home or anywhere in the world, so you can finally live the life of freedom and fulfillment that you truly deserve. So first of all, how do you create a blog? Now, to get started with a blog, of course, the first thing you need is a niche or an idea. What type of blog do you want to start? Is it a fashion type blog? Is it a travel blog? Really think about what you want and what you enjoy. What are your passions? What are your interests? What do you enjoy? Because at the end of the day, blogging is going to take a lot of your time in terms of creating content. You're going to be creating a lot of content. So it's essential that you start a blog with an idea in mind that you're strongly passionate about. So if you love traveling, then starting a travel blog could work perfectly for you because it's already a hobby. It's something that you personally enjoy. And even if you're not making money from your blog just yet, at least you will enjoy the process, because it's going to take a little bit of time for your blog to eventually make you some money, okay? So you really need to think about that in terms of coming up with an idea. Think long term. Is it something I'm just going to get bored of in the next few months if no money is coming in? Or is it something I'm really going to enjoy regardless of how much money I'm making from it? Think long term rather than short term when you're coming up with a niche or an idea for your blog, okay? Now, once you have an idea, the second step is to get a domain name. You're going to have to purchase a www.yourbusinessname.com. So you're going to have to think about a nice, catchy and captivating name for your blog, okay? Now, you may or may not already have this, and it's something that you really have to brainstorm yourself. Think about what resonates with you. What does your blog represent, and how do you want to appeal to people out there? Ask a few family and friends and see what they have to say about it. And once you have that ready, you can then go ahead and register a www.yourbusinessname.com at namecheap.com. It literally costs less than $10 for an entire year. So I don't see why you shouldn't invest in that. Honestly, it's really nothing. $10 for a year is really nothing to think twice about, right? And I'm going to leave a link below for you to get started. Now we have a niche and a domain name. It's time to find a hosting platform. Now there's different hosting platforms out there that you can get started with your blog. You can look into blogger.com, which is free to get started. wordpress.com is also free. These are the two sort of big ones that you can look into. However, they do come with restrictions because it's free, right? Now, because it's free, it also comes with several restrictions. So you get what you pay for, like they say. So if you're thinking about monetizing from your blog using platforms like Google Adsense, for example, when you're using platforms like wordpress.com, you're actually restricted. You're not really allowed to use Google Adsense on wordpress.com. I'm not sure if that rule has changed yet, but if it has, then well, good for you. But again, Blogger and WordPress.com do come with a lot of restrictions and limitations in terms of things like templates, themes, and really monetizing from your blog. And you know, there's just a lot of restrictions when you go for the free blogging platforms, and I would not recommend that you go for those options if you really want your blog to be taken seriously. What I would recommend you do is go for a self-hosted platform for your blog, okay? Now, a self-hosted platform is one whereby you pay for your hosting separately, and then you can download wordpress.org, which is separate from wordpress.com. So get yourself a self-hosted platform. It comes with no restrictions, no limitations. You get access to unlimited templates that you can upload and use for your blog. You can change them to look any way you want. You can monetize on your blog, and you're not really restricted. You really have full ownership and control of your blog, as opposed to hosting it using a third party that pretty much controls your blog. And if they decide to shut down, your blog is pretty much effed, right? Now, if you're looking for an amazing self-hosted web hosting provider, I would strongly recommend you check out bluehost.com. They are hands down one of the most affordable web hosting platforms out there, and they literally charge you like $2.95 a month to host your website. I think they're literally the cheapest you're gonna get, especially for the value you get in return. And if you invest in the self-hosted platform, you can literally get your own website up and running the way you want it. Okay, you can customize it, use as many templates as you want. So again, I'll leave a link below to the Bluehost platform where you can actually get started with your affordable web hosting. I strongly recommend that you invest in a self-hosted platform. I'll leave the link down below as well, okay? Of course, now you have a domain name and a hosting platform ready to go. It's time to create your content. Creating content is usually a hit or miss, and this is where a lot of bloggers give up. They start a blog and they realize that they don't really have anything to write about. Well, I love travel, but what else can I write about travel? It's usually the hardest aspect of starting a blog, okay? So when it comes to content writing, it's something that you're gonna have to play around, look at other blogs similar to your niche and see what they're doing and see how you can emulate it. I'm not saying copy and paste from other blogs. Look at what they're doing, what sort of topics are they talking about, and how can you make that even better? Use that to get some ideas and then start creating content for your blog. Now we have some content for our blog. It's time to start making money on our blog, which is what a lot of you guys have been waiting for. There's so many ways you can make money from your blog. The first way is, of course, Google AdSense, our all-time favorite. So Google AdSense is literally where Google pays you to use your platform to advertise your products for the companies that it work with. So you're basically using your platform, or let's say you're renting ad space on your website, okay? So you're now telling Google that, you know what, I have a travel website. If you guys pay me some money, I'm happy to have some of those adverts at the side of my website or within my content. As long as they've clicked on the link on your website, Google automatically pays you. That's a good thing about it. So it's not like affiliate marketing where you have to sell products to actually make money. So the idea is create some great content for your blog, get some people to visit your website, people who are genuinely interested in your content, and once they visit your website, the more the views and the more the clicks on those ads, the more Google pays you. Now it's very similar to YouTube. The more views on your videos, the more Google pays you. So we have Google AdSense for your blog and Google AdSense for YouTube. So it's exactly the same thing, but except for YouTube, Google is paying you per views and per clicks on those ads on your videos. Exactly the same business model, okay? Another way to make money from your blog is product reviews. And this is what a lot of fashion bloggers do. They have like companies sending them products free, and then they use that as an avenue to review these products and then send people to purchase those products through an affiliate link. So a company will come to them and say, you know what, we can give you these products for free. In exchange, you can basically hype up our products, and then if a customer buys from us, you can make yourself some money. There's so many different ways product reviews work, not just for fashion, but if you're into different types of niches, you can look into other platforms like ClickBank, whereby you can promote different types of affiliate products and make money from every click from your website. When you leave that review on your website, people who are interested in finding out more about that product or service will most likely stumble upon your website, and once they come to your website, guess what? They're going to click on that link to access the product, and once they purchase that product, you make some money. You can either get them from brands who are willing to pay you some money upfront to review the products, or you can simply buy them yourselves and then refer people to purchase the products using an affiliate link, whereby, ka-ching, you make some money. And another way to make money from your blog is creating your own products. Now this could be a book, an ebook, or even your own online store. If you have an online store separately, then that works even perfectly for you, because you can review your own products instead of reviewing another brand's products. For example, you're selling waist trainers, you can have different blog posts around the topic of waist training and then referring people to then purchase those waist trainers from your website. So creating your own products is another powerful way to make money from your blog. So I hope you guys found this video useful with regards to starting a blog and making money from your blog, and also using that as an avenue to boost your business. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave your comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any videos that I've got coming up for you guys. And I look forward to catching up with you guys in my next video. Bye for now.